Electric cars take off way faster than gas cars, but why? Because electric motors give you the full power instantly. When you hit the gas in an electric car, all the powerful volts from the battery go straight to the motor. In a gas car, you only reach peak torque at 5,000 to 6,000 RPM. That takes quite a while compared to instant power. You also only have one gear, so you don't even have to shift, while the gas car is slowed down by each and every shift. Plus, the batteries are heavy and mounted closely to the ground, giving electric cars a low center of gravity. It also has advanced systems that change how much torque goes to each wheel when you launch. This gives the EV way better traction. Most EVs have two motors directly on each axle. This is much quicker than gas cars because the power doesn't have to go through the transmission, the drive shaft, and then the differential. Just instant power straight to the axles. The software on the launch control on these electric cars is way beyond any gas car. And EVs just have lighter drivetrains. So EVs get instant power while gas cars wait. An electric motor can start spinning way quicker than any gas engine.